The CORSAIR ONE Pro a200 compact PC packs all the rendering, encoding, and creative power of the workstation-class PC into a gorgeous and quiet small form factor that takes up less desk space than a laptop. An AMD Ryzen 9 5950X processor with 16 cores makes for incredibly fast multi-threaded processing, so you can get more done, faster than ever. Accelerate your rendering, design, and visualization with an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3080 graphics card powered by CUDA and real-time ray tracing technology. 64GB Dual-channel CORSAIR VENGEANCE DDR4 high-performance memory provides the speed and capacity to handle the most demanding content creation tasks. A patented convection-assisted liquid cooling system minimizes CPU and graphics card temperatures, achieving faster performance without excessive fan noise.